If you want to know the process of scheduling an appointment through Handshake, you could watch this tutorial for a step-by-step tutorial. In your web browser, type and search ysu.edu. Next, on the top right-hand corner of the website, click the Portal button. If you are not signed in, you will be prompted to do so before accessing your student portal. This is your student portal. The portal offers personalized access to Office 365 email, self-service banner, and channels of information. On the top left corner, select the three lines and search Handshake. On the left-hand side of the page, click Career Center. Next, select your type of appointment and select the day to schedule. As a reminder, same-day appointments are not scheduled. In the description of the appointment, enter your name, line number, email, and phone number. If you have any questions or need help, you could contact the Student Services Center located in Williamson Hall, room 1115. The phone number is 330-941-2376. And also, you can look at our webpage at ysu.edu/wcba/advising.